500 here, supercharged. Oh, it has a 7.3 Godzilla motor. Ah, yes. Another day, another Cars and Coffee. Let's get to it. About to meet up with some Mustang people and then head to a local Cars and Coffee. Should be a good turnout. I see exotics and things pull up like that, but once I meet up with the guys, I'll pick the camera back up and get with y'all.
1 hour later.
I'm not sure yet. Y'all can go, yeah. You good? All right, so the whole gang met up here, as you can see. We're off to some Cars and Coffee. We all know this one in front of me is loud. So I'm just trying to make sure I have the right angle for you guys. So excuse the sun glare, but we made it here to Cars and Coffee, Rock Hall. I got split up from the gang, but everyone's here. I'll give you a quick walk around as cars still roll in, see what's going on. So here we have the Shelby Super Snake, the S650 Shelby. Excuse me. It's clean. This is number 243. And here you have the convertible S197 Cobra, or Shelby I should say. And then you have the S197 GT with the Paxton. Then we have Jeremiah's Dark Horse that's extremely loud if you heard in the POV part of this video. This thing was screaming. And then we have the ESS Mach 1 here. So here we have a couple Cadillacs. I believe this is what, a CT4?
Yeah, CT4 Blackwing.
CT4 Blackwing. And it has the Corsa exhaust, standard 6-speed. Has the energy drink in there ready to go. Carbon fiber. Beautiful engine bay. And then here we have CT5. Standard clean interior. I love that interior. You can put the family in and go. CT5 Blackwing. Of course, license plate is definitely it makes sense. So you have the CTS, you have the CT3 or CTS V3. Whew, can't talk today. Automatic. Got a some carbon fiber here and there. Supercharged, of course. So this Ford F100 is clean. I know I used to work clean a lot, but like the attention to detail in this, whoo. Here's the ultimate dad mobile, right-hand drive, holding wagon. So you don't see many Lotus out in the wild, but here you are with the Mira, or Mira, I don't know how you say it. First edition Lotus here. This is clean. So here you have a couple like G82s, G80s. It's a clean M3, but a lot of G82s. But you know, I'm a G80 M3 kind of guy. So these like get my attention with no issue, no problem. Practical family car if you can afford it, of course. Got the Porsche GT3. It's a manual at that. These cars are great, like they're just beautiful. So Ford GT, actually two Ford GTs, and they're both clean. I didn't realize how like low these are. But you're like in there. And then you have another Porsche next to it. Z06. Ferrari. Oh, excuse me. And then you got an older Viper here. Clean. Wait a second. But next to this, you have a clean Z06. Seen this a time or two at a few car events, car meets. So you guys know I'm a sucker for 4th gens. This is clean. Z28, I believe it's Pro Charged. When I heard it pulling in. Vert. 6-speed. Oh yeah, I know this probably gets down. So this one here is Pro Charge. D1 Pro Charger, D1 SE. It used to be a nitrous setup, but pretty much you see no cowl cut up there for supercharger. Just perfect setup. Like I said, clean interior. Woo! And so this one was actually done by Lux Race. Reputable shop around here. Very clean. LS3 setup here. Hasn't sprayed it yet. But like I said, very clean. A 98 WS6. Said it makes about 5 to the wheel. As you see, nitrous bottle set up here. Subwoofer in the side. Immaculate condition. Woo. So here you have an older Mustang here. What is this, a 65, 66? Convertible. Someone in the comments correct me with the date or year. I'm just say date. You could correct me with the year. It's a clean car.
Really?
GT350 there. Dude, this is so clean. Another older Ferrari. I'm not sure what what these are, the models, but just vintage, clean. Alright.
On the side, no, it's got the actual thing.
Sheesh.
Not
It's a
the
big turbo. I wonder what size it is. We have Turbo Nova here.
328. Yeah, it was close.
Ooh.
That was close.
We have a lot of the older muscle cars down this row.
Over there eating
See what's
lunch.
going on.
Should have been making business.
Got a clean LS swap wagon here. Catalina. Could you imagine riding back there? I bet this parties. I mean, it's probably a heavy car. Not probably, it is a heavy car, but I bet it's still fun. Goodness. Twin turbo Camaro. 1320 video sticker. Recipes to Kyle.
we got this so that we can have stuff. And I'm not a racer. Like I'm not.
Nice Cobra here.
No, you can go in here or you can go down there, maybe.
Oh, the thing's probably fast with the push off switch. Got the RPM tach on the dashboard there. Ooh. This is cool. 427. So you have an F100 here, supercharged. Oh, it has a 7.3 Godzilla motor. Woo. Dang. Now this is probably insane. Side exit exhaust coming through. Brother, I know this is crazy. So we got a 392 here. This thing's on a fat tire. I'm not sure what's done with it. Probably nitrous fed if I had to guess. So you have the twin turbo F-150 here. Turbo Smart turbos. I'm not sure what size. With the Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Pretty sure this is quick. Oh my, this is clean. Sheesh. All right, now some money was put into this Camaro. Lord. Is this sequential? Oh my goodness. Dang. Clean Hyundai SI here. Woo. Good spec. Let's have a clean S197 here. Matching brake calipers. Paint color clean. CR1. This is clean. here we have a couple GTRs, Audi R8, carbon fiber on majority of them. A Nismo GTR at that. And this one has a wide body kit on it. I think this one may be twin turbo. So you have the clean S197 Roush here. Woo. Has a little bit of a tire setup going, so I'm pretty sure it's quick. So that's probably gonna conclude this meet for me and the POV drive little style video. About to head to the crib. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I'm out.